Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope and pray that you all will be fine at your homes, inshallah. Students, again we are here with the same topic, forest. That is unit 4. We are going to revise next lesson of forest, that is forest products. In this topic we will discuss that which are important forest products being taken from the forest resources of Pakistan. Students, we have discussed forest products in detail earlier. Now we'll have a review of this topic. We know that forest products have been divided into two major categories: major forest products and minor forest products. With reference to consumption, timber and fuel wood are considered as major forest products. Timber has numerous uses which include making buildings, furniture, agricultural implements, and boxes. The demand for timber is increasing day by day due to increase in population. That's why we are having a lot of forest cutting to fulfill the demand of timber in Pakistan. And the minor forest products include resin, which is a fluid in the tissue of a plant, and that is locally named as cheed, that becomes solid on exposure to the air. Resin is used for making varnishes and some other purposes depending on its quality and depending on its availability. Either it is edible or non-edible resin, and it has many utilities in pharmaceutical industry as well. So masonry is another product that is used for making mats, baskets, and for packing purposes. You can see from these pictures also that resin is also being shown over here. Then masonry, that is sort of date palm leaves which are being used in many handicrafts also. Next one is ephedra, that is a medicinal syrup that is used by many pharmaceutical factories also, and that is found in abundance in Pakistan. Now we see that what is deforestation and how it is a major threat in Pakistan for forest resources. So clearing and cutting of forests is called deforestation, and we can say it is a purposeful clearing of forest land either to construct buildings, roads, for firewood, etc. So deforestation refers to the decrease in forest areas across the world that are lost for other uses such as agricultural purposes, agricultural croplands, urbanization, or mining activities. This is very disturbing that Pakistan forest resources are vanishing at the rate of 1% per annum per year. That this will have dreadful effects on the people of Pakistan and the ecological system. Our environment is being disturbed by this rate of cutting that is very high. Now we'll discuss causes of deforestation in Pakistan. The first one is large forest tracts are cleared to grow crops and to carry out mining activities. As we know that population of Pakistan is increasing day by day and we have mineral resources in our country. So to meet the demands of increasing population and to carry out mining activities, we need to clear forests. That is very alarming for us also. After the construction of dams and barrages, which provide irrigation water, millions of hectares of land were cleared to meet the food requirements of growing population. So we are disturbing our ecosystem by reckless cutting of forests to fulfill some needs like the requirements of a growing population, we need to construct dams, barrages, we need to carry out mining activities, and we need to grow crops. Then next one is increasing urbanization also causes deforestation. We need more clear land to construct more homes and more cities to establish urban areas. And the sprawling growth of cities has converted forest areas into residential colonies. You can see in the suburbs of major cities of Pakistan that population is increasing, and we have converted large forest tracts into residential colonies. The next one is due to industrialization and urbanization. There is great demand for better transport facilities. In Pakistan, road transport is preferred over other means of transport. The road transport network is getting larger and denser. In many areas, lines through forests have been cut to make roads. In Pakistan, we have a good domestic and foreign market for wood-based products, and we are consuming plenty of wood in this wood-based industry. So wood is used in industries like sports goods, chipboard, hardboard, veneer, plywood, and safety matches. Wood is also required as construction material for building. Like bus bodies, boats, and railway coaches also consume wood. As a result, forests are cut down to meet the demand of industry, and this is a major consumption sector. In Pakistan, nearly 50% of heating and cooking requirements are met by 20.88 cubic meters of fuel wood every year. In fact, 76% of the rural population depends on wood for heating and cooking, which results in excessive cutting of trees. We know that in northern areas of Pakistan and many other areas, we are not having a natural gas supply. So people have to depend on forest wood for fuel purposes, and consumption is very high in this sector because population of Pakistan is increasing day by day, and we are cutting forests recklessly to fulfill the need of increasing population. The next one is overgrazing of land by cattle, goats, and sheep has also converted subtropical scrub forests and tropical thorn forest areas into deserts. Although we feel that might be it is less dangerous, but overgrazing is one of the most dangerous thing, that is converting many forested areas into deserts. And as we have seen that goats, sheep, and other animals are overgrazing the land, and that land is being converted into desert areas, not only in Pakistan but all over the world. Students, this is time for worksheet about the forest product and causes of deforestation. Question number 1 is, which are the major forest products, and write down the uses of timber as a major forest product. We have discussed in Boolean lesson also, and you can see it in your textbook. Question number 1, B part is, study the given figure showing the minor forest products in Pakistan. You have given these pictures, and you will identify the minor forest products given in these pictures. Then the second part is, write down the uses of these minor products are there. As you can see, there is a liquid resin and masonry, shrubs type of leaves, and ephedra, that is a medicinal shrub. You will write down about these, identify, and you will discuss these 3 minor forest products found in Pakistan. Next question is, define deforestation and what is the rate of deforestation in Pakistan. We'll see that how we can define deforestation, that purposeful cutting of forest is considered as deforestation, and the rate is very high, that is 1% per annum. And next question is about these three pictures about forest products. By observing these pictures, you will discuss the causes of deforestation in Pakistan. Thank you so very much, students. May Allah bless you. Have a very nice day. Allah Hafiz.